Hey everyone! In this quick video, I'll show you how to improve your recording quality in OBS easily. First, open OBS and click on Settings in the bottom right corner. Go to the Output tab and under the Recording section, change the recording quality to either High Quality or Indistinguishable Quality for better results. Next, make sure the recording format is set to MP4 or MKV for stable and high-quality video. For the encoder, choose hardware if you have a good GPU or software if you're using your CPU. Then, go to the Video tab and set your base resolution to your monitor's native resolution, usually 1920 by 1080, and set your output resolution to the same if you want full HD recordings. Set the FPS to 60 for smooth motion or 30 if you want smaller files. Finally, go to the Advanced tab, scroll to the Video section, and make sure the color format is NV12, color space is 709, and color range is full. These settings help make your video look sharper and more vibrant. Click Apply, then OK, and you're done. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more OBS tips.